Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 4.7% in the last session, after gaining as much as 5.1% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices flittered in a tight range as market participants maintained a cautious stance and awaited further direction from the Capitol Hill testimony by US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell due this week. The yuan slipped towards 7-month lows as China cut lending benchmarks, while the Australian dollar fell after latest central bank meeting minutes showed keeping interest rates unchanged was under consideration. Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, and Binance.US have entered into an agreement with the US Securities and Exchange Commission to ensure that US customer assets remain in the United States until a sweeping lawsuit filed this month by the regulatory agency is resolved.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT, the Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 0900 hours GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence AGE will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.